Hi, I'm Joni from OneDishKitchen.com, your #1 source for single-serving recipes. Today we're making buffalo chicken. It's one chicken breast that's topped with a homemade buffalo sauce, a little mozzarella cheese, sprinkled with some blue cheese crumbles and chopped green onions. It's amazing. I think you'll love it. Best of all, it can be baked in about 15 minutes. Heat the oven to 400 degrees. Place a chicken breast in a medium-sized baking dish. Stir together the melted butter and the hot sauce and pour it over the chicken. Top the chicken with mozzarella cheese. This ingredient is optional, but it adds a wonderful flavor. I highly recommend using it. Bake the chicken in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. Remove the chicken from the oven and cover to let the chicken rest for about 5 minutes. Okay, so the chicken's been resting covered for about 5 minutes or so, and I have to tell you, it smells amazing. Love all the cheese and the beautiful sauce on top. So pretty. Get all that cheese that's in the bottom of the plate. Yum. So we're going to go ahead and top it with some blue cheese crumbles and some green onions. So juicy and delicious. So buffalo chicken is one of the most popular recipes on One Dish Kitchen. I just thought I'd go over here and read through some of the questions I get asked a lot and see if it might answer any questions you might have. So the first one is buffalo chicken keto or low carb? It absolutely is. If that's your eating plan, then this meal will fit right into it. All right, can I use this chicken to make a buffalo chicken salad? Yes, you can. This chicken takes your salad to a whole new level. It comes together so quickly, as you saw, and you just maybe add in some chopped celery and ranch dressing to your salad. It'll be perfect. Can this recipe be doubled? Yes, so if you want to make two, just double all the ingredients, keep the cooking time the same, and you can have 2 servings of it. And what size baking dish is best? Well, the baking dish I used was about a 9.5-inch baking dish, but just use a dish that fits your chicken breast or chicken thigh well. And that's it.